Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to reduce white point on iPhone. First, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center. Now, tap and hold on the brightness bar to expand it. Here, tap on True Tone to turn it off temporarily. This feature automatically adjusts the screen's color and intensity based on lighting condition. Then increase the brightness slider to a level that feels comfortable. After that, turn the True Tone back on if you prefer a warmer tone for your display. Next, tap on Night Shift and reduce its intensity if it's set too high, as it can also affect your screen's tone and brightness. Once done, exit the Control Center and open your Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Then, tap on Display and Tag Size from the list. Here, turn on the toggle for reduced transparency. This makes background effect less intense, which can help with visual clarity. Next, turn on Increase Contrast to make text and interface elements more distinct. Then, turn on Differentiate without color if you want to replace colored paste cues with shapes or text. Now, scroll to the bottom and you'll see the Reduce White Point option. This feature helps dim bright colors to make the screen easier on your eyes. Turn the toggle on and then adjust the slider to control how much the white intensity is reduced. A lower percentage will slightly dim bright elements, while a higher percentage will make them much softer. This setting is especially useful if your screen feels too bright even on the lowest brightness setting. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.